Hey guys, you're about to see my quickest makeup look of life. I slept, I had a nap and forgot to wake up, and my dinner is in. I have to leave here in like 20 minutes. Well, so wish me luck. I'm just gonna like power through this. I've done my eyebrows already off camera. I am doing my primer now. I'm using the Pillows base. I feel like this is not, like, this is gonna be a really stressful makeup look. So don't don't watch this video if you're here to relax, like. Okay. Today I reckon I'll take my Too Faced palette. I don't think I'm gonna do anything too crazy. So I reckon I will save a little bit on time with my eye makeup. Once the lashes are on, like, it's all good to go. Like, the base takes me like 5 minutes. So I'm aiming for like to be out of here in like 15 minutes. Okay, I'm jumping into this Too Faced palette, and I think I'll take I might take Coca, I think, or Maple. I'll take Maple. That's the one down, like it's a little bit lighter. I don't want anything like too dark. I'm considering like breaking open some of my new brushes that I have sitting here so that I don't have to try and find new clean ones just to save on time. It actually kind of sounds like a good idea. Should I do it? What ones do I have? I'll use my Nikita ones, I guess. Time saving hack. Buy lots of brushes so you don't ever need to look for new ones. Alright, this is one of the new Nikita brushes, so yeah, I'm taking that Maple shade and just sitting that like on the, like through the crease. There's not honestly going to be a whole lot that goes on today with the eyes. I think I'm just gonna do like this colour and then like a bit of a darker outer corner colour, and then chuck like a Steeler glitter and glow in the like on the cut crease. So no liquid liner today, that takes too long, and you can't do liquid liner under pressure, okay? It just does not work. You need a clear mind for liquid liner, so we're not doing any of that. I had my alarm set for 3 and then I woke up at like 3:40 and I had to quickly run to the shower, and then I was just like, I just didn't realise like how time consuming like getting dressed and everything is. I just shouldn't have napped. Let this be a lesson to you, don't nap. Napping is bad. I'm just taking a bit of a fluffier brush and just blending that. I feel like I might take a bit of the Coca shade as well just to darken it up a little bit. I feel like it's quite light. I'm sweating and I can't tell if it's because I'm hot or because I'm stressed, but I need to not sweat because it's gonna ruin my makeup. Alright, I'm taking like a bit of a skinnier brush. I'm going into the darker shade of the palette and it's called Truffle. And I'm just putting this one on the outer corner. Alright, and then I'm just gonna blend that. Alright, trust the process, Alright, let's grab a Steeler glitter and glue. Now it's the trouble of trying to choose one. Alright, I like Smoky Storm, but I feel like it has like a weird brown undertone and I don't know if I want that. Or we have Kitten Karma. I think I'll, yeah, okay, I'm gonna take Kitten Karma. So I'm literally just gonna pack that straight on the lid. I feel like this is the easiest like cut crease ever. Like, these Steeler glitter and glows are so underrated. Like, they just make it like so easy and so quick to do a glam look, you know? Okay, let's do some blending and then the eyes are done. Thank goodness. It's just getting these lashes on and then we're like smooth sailing, you know? Alright, I'm gonna go off camera, put some lashes on and then I'll be back to do my base. So for primer, I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. And I'm also gonna take the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation, and yes, I smudged my mascara, of course. And I just lost the lid to these and I have no idea where it went. Oh my god, okay. Oh, this smells so nice. Oh my god, I forgot to clean my eye makeup. That's alright, I can do it with the foundation. Give it like a... Okay, so yeah, for foundation I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. I'm past my 15-minute mark, by the way, so I meant to pick Sam up at 4:30 and it's like 4:20, so I'm like, he's gonna be like, where the hell are you? And I'll be like, on my way, almost there. He'll be like, have you left yet? And I'll be like, oh yeah, like 5 minutes ago. Oh, sorry, the traffic was really bad, like, no, honestly, I really try and be punctual, but sometimes I'm just late, okay? I was just exhausted. I shouldn't have kept snoozing my alarms. They should not have that option. They should just keep going until you physically get out of bed, like, that's what they need to design. I hope that this doesn't oxidize too much, because I did not have time to blend any foundation in my neck. Okay, let's just quickly, alright. Just hope that'll suffice. Is that Sam? Yep. He's like, what did he say? Have you left? I'm like, shit! Oh, bitch, I haven't. He should know me by now. He should know that when I say 4:30, I mean 5 o'clock. No, I really need to get a move on. Alright, this is the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate. I really wanted to have this video to sit down and like talk about like my last 3 years on YouTube and how grateful I am and all that kind of stuff, but it doesn't look like that's gonna happen now. But I have a vlog coming anyway, so I'll probably insert there. I'll do my little talk over there, you know. I had much bigger plans for this video than what it is. At this point it's just me freaking out. At least I already have my outfit done, so that's like 5 minutes of my time. I just need to do my hair. Oh god, I'm never getting to tea, am I? Just need to do my hair, put my shoes on. I don't even know what shoes I'm gonna wear yet, actually. So that'll be interesting. But we're almost there, guys. I'm setting my face with the MAC Fix powder in NW20. This will hopefully keep me all locked in all night. We're gonna not do any blush today just because I feel like it doesn't fit the vibe of my eye look, and yeah, I just not really feeling blush. For bronzer, I'm gonna take the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Nude Bronze Light. And then I'm really excited because I'm taking my Amrezy highlighter that I never use because it's so special. And I thought, you know what, tonight is a special enough time to use it. So I don't know how to have my hair. Make sure everything's all good and blended. And we're almost there, guys. Alright, so I'm taking my Anastasia X Amrezy highlight, which I'm so excited about. Whew, I don't even have time to enjoy the glow right now. But look at it. This is just a highlighter straight from the gods, you know, like it's like God made it up in heaven himself. Sent it down. Thank you, God. Alright, setting spray. I'm going to take my Morphe Luminous setting spray. And then I'm taking my Morphe Continuous setting mist to lock that all in. Alright, I'm going to go do my hair, lips, and then I'll be back. Okay, this is the finished look. I really love it. I feel super pretty. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry about how rushed this video has been, but yeah, thank you guys for everything in the last 3 years. Like I said on my vlog, I'm gonna say a lot more about that, but yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!